Yes, let us we continue uh, the same topic, that is the types of materials which are those are used in the transmission lines. Yeah, this indicates the number of layers, the number of how many number of strands are required as per the formula which we have given in the previous slides, and the cross sectional view of the standard conductors for four layers and five layers standard conductors. Okay, now uh, what are the various types of transmission line conductors? Yes, sir. Already we have seen the types of conductors. That those are types of conductors, and this is the types of transmission line conductors. Transmission line conductors. So there are five. You can observe that those five are, the first one is AAC. AAC stands for all aluminum conductor. All aluminum conductor. And AAAC stands for all aluminum alloy conductors. All aluminum alloy conductors. And third one is AACSR, all aluminum alloy conductors steel reinforced. Okay. And ACAR, aluminum conductors alloy reinforced. ACSR, aluminum conductors steel reinforced. Aluminum conductors steel reinforced. Yes. Let us we see one by one. The first one is AAC, that is all aluminum conductors. AAC contains one or more aluminum alloy strands. One or more aluminum alloy strands. That means aluminum is mixed with aluminum only. Aluminum is mixed with aluminum only. And aluminum, all aluminum conductor is preferred for short spans. So usually, so we use such kind of stranded conductors in urban areas. So in coastal areas also, AAC conductors are also effective against corrosion problems in coastal areas. And AAC has the highest conductivity to weight ratio, but has a poor strength to weight ratio. It is very poor strength to weight ratio. So therefore, where we use, practically we used in local distribution system. Local distribution system in the sense, usually used to observe this all aluminum conductors, so very near to your home or on the street or at the streets, so between the two poles, so you may observe this type of stranded conductors. And second one is A cube C, that is AAAC, all aluminum alloy conductors. Yes, that is, it is an alloy conductor that is made up of not only aluminum but also with silicon and magnesium. Okay, so its ampacity is equivalent to AAC and excellent tension characteristics. Possess excellent tension characteristics. And all aluminum alloy conductors provides excellent resistance against corrosion and is used in coastal areas. This is also used in coastal areas. And all aluminum alloy conductors are becoming more popular than ACSR for the last 2 decades. They are strong, lighter, and more conductive than ACSR. However, they are more expensive than ACSR. The cost is more. If cost is more, then we simply reject that, whatever, irrespective of the other things. So therefore, nowadays we use only ACSR. Okay. Practically we used in 36 kilovolts transmission system and above. Yes. Next, AACSR, all aluminum alloy conductor steel rain. So this is also same. This is also same, but same when compared with the triple AAC previous, that is triple AAC, when it is compared, when AAC-SR is compared with triple AC, so it contains some less properties compared with that one. Okay. Of course, this can also used in the distribution system, and in coastal areas also we use this type of conductors. ACAR, aluminum conductors alloy reinforced. Aluminum conductor alloy reinforced is formed by concentrically stranded wires of aluminum, that is 1350 numbers, and high strength aluminum magnesium silicon, that is ALMGSI alloy core. The number of wires of each depends on the cable design. The typical design comprises a stranded core of aluminum magnesium silicon alloy strands, but in certain cable constructions the wires of the aluminum magnesium silicon alloy strands can be in layers throughout the aluminum, that is 1350 strands. So hence where we use practically, in the sense practically we used in overhead distribution and transmission system, distribution and transmission lines. Okay. Next one is ACSR. So nowadays most of the transmission lines are used this type of line, this type of wires, that is aluminum conductor steel reinforced, aluminum conductor steel reinforced. ACSR involves the aluminum conductor reinforced with a steel core. The central steel core is surrounded by a number of aluminum strands. The steel strands are used for increasing the strength of conductor. Usually steel is coated with zinc. At present, ACSR conductors are most popular for longer transmission line. So practically, so longer spans and high voltage transmission lines, we use the ACSR, that is aluminum conductor steel reinforced wires, that is conductors. Okay. Thank you for listening up to here. I hope you learned something about types of materials to be used, those are which are used in the transmission system. Yes, once again, so let me repeat what are the various types of materials we used in the transmission system. AAC, A cube C, A square CSR, ACAR, ACSR. Okay, just should do remember all these things, and out of these 5, so which is best suitable for the transmission line nowadays, which is used, that is ACSR. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe.